Have you ever wondered why Rolls-Royce, the ultimate symbol of wealth and perfection, has never been seen in a crash test video? While every other car brand is slammed into walls to prove its safety, Rolls-Royce stands apart. But is it because they're too luxurious to destroy? Or because they're hiding something much deeper? The truth behind why Rolls-Royce cars are never crash tested will completely change how you see the world's most luxurious car brand. In the world of car manufacturing, crash testing is a fundamental step, a brutal ritual every model must endure before it can hit the road. Companies like BMW, Mercedes, and Audi routinely sacrifice cars in controlled crashes to study impact resistance and occupant safety. But Rolls-Royce doesn't play by those rules. They've built an image so exclusive, so untouchable, that even the thought of slamming a $600,000 masterpiece into a wall seems absurd. But this isn't arrogance, it's engineering confidence. Rolls-Royce cars are not mass-produced. Each one is handcrafted, often taking months to build, with every component tested individually, rather than as part of destructive crash experiments. Their engineers don't rely on public crash data because their safety systems come from the same advanced research that powers BMW, Rolls-Royce's parent company. BMW does the destructive testing, Rolls-Royce does the refinement. Each Rolls-Royce model is built on a shared architecture known as the architecture of luxury, a bespoke aluminum space frame designed to handle collisions far beyond legal requirements. The brand's engineers use virtual simulation and advanced computational modeling, technology so accurate it can predict the outcome of a crash without ever destroying a single car. It's the same technology used in aerospace and defense industries. By digitally simulating thousands of crash scenarios, Rolls-Royce ensures its cars meet and often exceed global safety standards without a single vehicle ever meeting a concrete wall. But there's another reason Rolls-Royce doesn't need crash tests: exclusivity. Rolls-Royce doesn't produce millions of cars a year, it builds only a few thousand. Each one is customized to the buyer's exact specifications, from armor plating to bulletproof glass. No two Rolls-Royces are ever truly identical, which makes standard crash testing practically meaningless. You can't test a typical Rolls-Royce because there isn't one. Every owner orders unique materials, weights, and configurations. So instead of wasting one-of-a-kind cars in crash labs, Rolls-Royce relies on data collected from controlled simulations, prototype testing, and parent company crash research to ensure flawless safety. And here's something most people don't know. Rolls-Royce owners themselves play a role in this. Many buyers are billionaires, royals, or celebrities who demand privacy and safety above all else. Some models are even built with hidden armor protection or security enhancements not found in any commercial car. Testing those in public would expose secrets that Rolls-Royce and their elite clients would never want revealed. When a car costs more than most houses, its safety features are as discreet as they are powerful. Rolls-Royce protects not only the driver's life, but also their image. Still, Rolls-Royce doesn't skip safety, they redefine it. The car's body is designed to absorb impact silently, while its reinforced cabin, a cocoon of luxury, remains untouched even under massive stress. Engineers use aircraft-grade aluminum, advanced sensor systems, and precision welding that's nearly invisible to the eye. Each component goes through rigorous testing. Doors are opened and closed thousands of times. Panels are vibrated under simulated road stress for hundreds of hours, and suspensions are tested on machines that replicate decades of driving. It's not about testing destruction, it's about ensuring perfection lasts forever. There's also a psychological element. Rolls-Royce represents immortality on wheels. When you sit in one, you're not supposed to think about crashes, danger, or death. You're supposed to feel invincible. Their marketing and design philosophy build a perception that Rolls-Royce cars are beyond the ordinary laws of the road. Their silence, their weight, their grace, all communicate one thing. Safety is not tested, it's guaranteed. But here's the deeper truth. Rolls-Royce doesn't need crash tests because its entire reputation is built on trust. Every car that leaves the Goodwood factory is a masterpiece of human craftsmanship and scientific precision. They don't destroy cars for testing because they've already tested every detail inside them, thousands of simulations, endless digital models, and a century of experience ensure that no Rolls-Royce ever fails when it matters most. And when real accidents do happen, reports show that Rolls-Royce vehicles almost always keep their passengers completely unharmed. Living proof that safety doesn't have to be proven by destruction, but by results. So the next time you see a Rolls-Royce glide silently down the street, remember, it's not just a car that hasn't been crash tested, it's a car so over-engineered, so personally crafted that it doesn't need to be. Do you think Rolls-Royce is right to skip public crash tests? Or should even the most luxurious car on Earth face the same scrutiny as the rest? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more untold stories behind the world's most powerful machines.